Hi friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. And today we are going to revise the chapter, our first chapter, that is matter around us. Okay, so first know the definition of matter. Matter definition is anything in this world that has mass and occupying the space is as matter. And this matter around us, this matter is divided into three types. They are solid, liquid, gas. And so here are keywords. So let's revise the definitions of these keywords. Okay. First one is matter. Matter definition thing in this world that has mass and occupying the space as the matter. And second one, diffusion. Diffusion means particles of matter move continuously in liquids and gases. That is known as diffusion. Okay, the particles of matter move continuously in liquids and gases. That is known as diffusion. And melting point. Melting point, the temperature at which a solid melts from a liquid is called point. Okay, the ice melting is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, melting point means a temperature at which a solid melts from liquid. Okay, and the fourth one is solving. Solving is a process of occupying the space. Solving is the process of occupying the space between solids, intermediate in liquids in gas. Solving is a process of occupying the space between solids, intermediate in liquids, and minimum in gases. And the fifth one is boiling point. The phenomena of change of a liquid starts boiling at atmospheric pressure. The water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the sixth one is sublimation. The sublimation definition. Some substances may change from solid to gaseous and as sublimation process. Substances change solid to gaseous without the liquid. So this direct changing as sublimation. Sub, sublimation. And the examples are iodine, camphor, etc. Okay. And seventh one is compressibility. The compressibility. The definition of compressibility is large volume of gas compressed into liters of small volume make it portable. The large volume of gas is compressed into liters of a small volume to make it portable. And mostly air is compressible. Uh, the most air will be compressed. And the eighth one is fusion. The process of changing solid to gas is sublimation, and uh, uh, the process of changing solid to liquid is fusion. Okay. The ninth one is humidity. It is the amount of water vapor present in air. You will be aware of this, right? Humidity, and it is the amount of water present in the air. And tenth one is fluid. It is a substance so easily. Okay? And so here we have a two. So let's answer this first one. Explain diffusion phenomena based on the state of matter. Now we should explain diffusion in solids, diffusion in liquids, diffusion in gases also. Okay. Now here the first one, diffusion in solids. The diffusion in solids is very slow process because the particles in solids do not move from their fixed position. The particles of solid vibrate about their fixed position. Okay? And the second one is diffusion in liquids. Diffusion in liquids is slower than that in because the particles in liquids only as compared with the particles gases. And the third point, rate of diffusion in liquids is much faster than the solids. Okay. The next one is diffusion in gases. The diffusion in gases very fast. This is because the particles gases move very quickly in all directions. The rate of diffusion of a gas, however, depends on the density. The light gases faster than heavy gases. Comparing all the states of matter, the gases are the only one. The gases are the fastest diffuse takes fastest gases, and second intermediate in liquids, and in solids. Okay, and second one, how can we smell perfume being several meters away from? Now, so we know that particles of gas are highly dispersed in the air, right? And the particles of perfume are moving air for several meters. It will move for several meters. So if we sit, sit in if we are sitting several meters away from the house, we can smell the perfume also. Now I have a question for you. That is, what is dry ice? Why it is called as dry ice? Okay. Now we answered the two questions, and this is question you should answer, and you should answer this question in comment box. And so, lastly, you know the answer. The answer, comment that answer in comment box. Okay.